What's up, you guys? It's ZacJacDan back with another Every Master of the Universe video. This time we're talking about every clamp champ. So back in 1987, we had Clamp Champ come out. And this was the new Masters of the Universe back in 1987. This was Wave 6. And these are the guys that came out in that Series 6. And also the other vehicles slash accessories slash comet or meteorite figures there that came out. So here is the mini comic introducing Eternity's new champion, Clamp Champ, and also a poster that had or a magazine that had Clamp Champ on it. And the inside artwork are some of the mini comics. So in the 2000X line, we had a mini statue or a staction that NECA did with Clamp Champ. Of course, these were not action figures because they were little mini plastic statues. Here's the artwork that was on the back. And also in that same wave, this was Wave or Series 2 of these Staction figures, you also had Stinkor and Grizzlor. And then the MOTU Classics that Matty Collector did. Here's that Clamp Champ figure. Here's the back side of that Clamp Champ, the mailer box that it came in the back of the card. And right around that same release in July 2013, in June you had Octavia. In August, right behind it, you had Castaspella. And you also had Rock On and Stondar, the Comet Warriors. So here's all three of the Clamp Champs that have been made so far in the Master of the Universe lines. Here's all three of them in package. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave any kind of comments. Hit that notification bell so you're aware of any new videos that I have. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys later. Guys, don't forget to check me out on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest. You can find all the photos that you want of these videos.